So my first step is going to be to wash the Brussels sprouts. After we clean them, we're gonna simply cut them in half. So take a knife, get a cutting board, cut each Brussels sprout in half. I will turn on a medium-high heat wok to put some oil in. I like to use coconut oil. And with the coconut oil, we want to put maybe 2 to 3 tablespoons. After we cut the Brussels sprouts, we will put the Brussels sprouts into the pan on medium to high heat. Then I will grab my Brussels sprouts, put them right in, grab some salt and pepper and season the top of the Brussels sprouts. Then I'll mix it all up, getting all the oil, salt, and pepper throughout all of the Brussels sprouts. I like to use a wok versus a traditional frying pan because I don't have to use extra spoons and utensils having to clean up afterwards. That way I can just mix it up as much as I want to throughout the cooking, throughout that 15 to 20 minutes. So every about 3 to 5 minutes, I'm gonna come over here, mix it all up, make sure the oil, the seasoning, and the Brussels sprouts are being evenly cooked and distributed, and sit and let it cook some more. So now, what do you do about your workouts during the holidays? First of all, I really want you to make your workouts and getting to the gym a pillar and a priority of your week. So do your best to get it in. However, maybe the gym's closed because of the holiday, or maybe you just can't simply get it in, or maybe you're traveling, so what should you do? Once again, just like our cooking, we want to keep things as simple as possible. Don't overthink it and just think about simplicity. So a great workout, for example, that we can do at home, I can do right now as I'm cooking, is a 10-minute AMRAP, 10 squats, 10 push-ups, 10 sit-ups. 10-minute AMRAP, rotate through that. How many rounds can you get? Let's make sure our squats, just like we do in the gym, keep that chest high, keep the core engaged. Let's push those knees out, keep your feet flat on the ground, and get just below parallel with your hips. For those push-ups, just like at the gym as well, we want a nice flat back, fingers and eye gaze forward. We want to make sure we just touch the ground with our chest and explode to full extension, extending those elbows at the top. Let's make sure the body moves up and down as one, whether we're on our feet or on our knees. Both are totally cool, whether we're doing regular push-ups or our knee push-ups. And our sit-ups, tap behind your head, tap your toes to get great full range of motion. If you want something like an ab mat, you could always use like a pillow or a towel underneath your lumbar to kind of act as that ab mat, just like we do at the gym. So check that out, 10-minute AMRAP, 10 squats, 10 push-ups, 10 sit-ups. How many rounds can you get? If that fails, just give me 100 push-ups and let's take things from there. After about 20 minutes of cooking, my Brussels sprouts are ready. I like them a little crispy, so I'm gonna finish off with some pomegranate seeds and a little drizzle of honey to add some sweetness. And although I want you to enjoy great side dishes during the holidays, having a healthy side dish is also an awesome alternative, just like these Brussels sprouts. They're high in micronutrients, vitamins, antioxidants, are an awesome addition to your table to add a vegetable to your meal. Now they're ready to be served, and let's go eat some holiday food. All you adult beverage drinkers out there, I do have a light and refreshing cocktail for you guys for the holidays. We're gonna make a light cranberry mule today. So, if you're like me and you have a heavy hand, definitely make sure that you're using a measuring cup or a shot glass to make sure that you measure out your alcohol appropriately. Make sure you're not drinking too much, and B, you're not getting too many calories. So, for our cranberry mule, we'll get a cup with ice in it. And we'll start with our alcohol. So we're doing vodka today. So 1 part vodka. We're gonna go 1 part diet cranberry juice. So the same amount, 1-to-1 ratio there. 2 parts ginger beer. Finishing off with 1 lime. So you could use lime juice if you don't have a lime available, or we're gonna squeeze a fresh lime in here today. So we're gonna go a full lime. If you don't like as much lime, maybe just do 1 half. We're gonna do 1 full lime. And there you go. That's your light cranberry mule for the holidays. Vodka, diet cranberry, ginger beer, and finish off with a little lime. Cheers.